know something about you?
I'm a housewife and I have two kids, two daughters, and my husband is working on PIA as a SSM officer, and my all time is in daily based routine.
Okay, you are doing IELTS or you are the student of the language?
No, me and my husband decided to move from mm, this country to abroad, enjoy the country, whatever that is. So we decided that I should take a IELTS course for that this year. So I'm doing this.
Okay. So Saima,
Yeah,
yes,
you can
Saima.
call me Kusama.
Okay. Saima, can you describe the place where you live?
Yeah, first priority is UK.
You don't even live.
Live. Okay, I live in Sharpniala, near of Janab Park in that block. That is very healthy and refreshing area because of park. There are many trees, and there are track of walking and there yeah, around the surrounding of the area. There are many shops like full-time markets is open over there, and university, schools, hospitals, all things are ready, are available out there.
Okay. Do you prefer living in a house or a flat?
No, I prefer to live in a house because I don't want to live in flat because I don't like in house. I think that is very comfortable for living. So I prefer the house to live in that because there is courtyard and lawn and whatever you want to see in your home, you can design that according to your choice.
That's good. Which room does your family spend most of the time in?
Most of the time, kids are spending their time in their room and they chit chat from there, and their studying time is over there. And me and my husband spend our time in TV lounge to see any program because my kitchen is my English. I have English kitchen that is linked by TV lounge. That when I'm working on and I cooking and whatever uh, I do over there. So me and my husband communicating with each other. Um, they um, they are watching the TV, and I'm doing my work over there.
Okay, please describe the what part of your home do you like the most?
Most like because yes, there's a pretty area of my house is terrace because when this house didn't build, then my husband dreamed that I have a room and their window is in front of park and because and so that's why I we built we designed our room and keep their window, glass window, and in glass window and room and terrace between that window. And whenever I go to terrace, then I feel very refreshing because on that side, I can see the park, trees, birds, peoples around there, walking there over there, and that is full of enjoying place. Wherever where I'm living, there surrounding there is a very luxury market and on things related to our daily basis to thing is available over there, and we can achieve or we can take anything from any time, day and night, it doesn't matter. There are many pharmacies, many shops of clothes, many shops of shoes, many foodie things, bakeries, and all things we can take over there. And also, it is very huge, and it is round about a full area of, which is very big market that have all types of things in over there. And I whenever I will go over there, I will very enjoying because there are very many and tasty things to eat, and there's very spicy sweets, fast food, desi foods, every type of foods we can take over there. We can shopping over there, and can take any related to our clothes. And because yes, a big thing is over there is a part near to the market. And whenever we go to market, then we also go the part and take rest over there. And kids are enjoying very much over there. The kids enjoys very much over there. And me and my husband also chit chat, and very feeling refreshing, and comfortable zone we can feel over. I have a time. Okay. Yeah. On on other side, market has there is a hospitals, many kinds of hospital, like a children hospital, for ladies, ladies delivery hospital, and general hospital are also over there, So that's why we don't need to go any other place to take anything. So I'm very comfortable with my this area, and the things around my me.
Okay, that's good, Simon.